Hello and welcome back. So if you have a first generation Chevy Volt and on your dash you have the service high voltage system, and it's indicating that when you use a code reader that your coolant level has an issue, well, it's more likely than not at the sensor at the bottom of your high voltage battery coolant reservoir. So the way I fix mine is I just make sure I clear the code, because I believe if you keep driving like that, your battery doesn't get recharged and you risk being unable to start the car when you stop it. So first thing, clear the code. And the way I fixed mine is I came to my coolant reservoir for the battery, which is this one right here. Make sure that it's topped off. As you can see, mine is fully topped off. At the very bottom is where you have the sensor. If you look at that silver cable right there, it runs to the bottom of the reservoir and connects to the sensor. All what you have to do is push the sensor forward. You can see that's where it makes the connection. You push it towards the front of the car, so in that direction, and then you'll be able to pop it off. Just to have peace of mind, I went ahead and ordered a spare, and this is the part number. And if you look at the part, you can see it's a T-shaped. There's the connector at the bottom, and then the top, you push it into the holder that you have in the reservoir. So that was just a quick video to talk about how you can keep on driving your first generation Chevy Volt for a very long time. And one other thing, if you look at the oil, it's 530. I found that I get the best, out of my engine when I use full synthetic oil. Those are available for a reasonable price at your local Walmart. So you can get your oil from Walmart or wherever you get your oil from, but make sure that it is fully synthetic. That way your engine is clean and you don't get into evap issues and other stuff. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.